Hey guys, today I will show you how to reload the GUNLANCE in Monster Hunter World. For a standard reload, press guard and right click. This reloads your GUNLANCE but has a longer animation, so use it only when you have a safe opening. You can also do a hop reload. After performing a hop, press right click to reload. This feels more fluid since hopping is a core GUNLANCE mechanic and helps you stay mobile. Another option is the quick reload. After almost any attack, press guard plus right click. This is much faster, but it only reloads your shells and does not reload your worm stake. Quick reload is the core of most GUNLANCE combos and should be used whenever possible instead of full reloads, since it also resets your combos and keeps your damage flowing. And that's how to reload GUNLANCE in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.